Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will talk about the new function that it's available via DDT4ALL program. It's about changing the ambient lights brightness. So in this way you have possibility to adjust the lightning intensity for the ambiental lights. For example, for Renault MEGANE 4 with ambient lights in front and back, and also to the center console. We have to go to the audio tab, RENAULT version 2.5 or 3.3, depends on your version. Double click configuration and eco configuration part 3. So we have to find the ambient light intensity, and here in our case, for example, we can set a value of 30% for the echo, 50 for comfort, 50 for normal, and 50 for dynamic, and 50 for the empty one. One of these should be the sport one, and you can set here how you want, depends on your preference. And after that you can simply press the Einstein phase and write the command write max. The command was sent via the interface. I am in the demo mode, so no changes here over the right tab. You can also change the ambient lighting color. For example, if you we have more area, for example, one of them are from front, one of them are for middle, and one of them are for the back of your car. For example, if you want to change the color for the normal, you can disable one of them if you want, but it's not recommended. This should be let it like are from the factory. The only thing that it's easy to be changed is to change the ambient light brightness, as I showed you earlier. The only thing that remains to perform is to perform a software reset by pressing K off on reset, and after that you can simply close the program, remove the OBD2 interface from your port, and after the RLINK it's rebooted. You can also perform a hardware reset by pressing the power button for 5-10 seconds, and after that everything should be at their place. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon for more videos. Bye bye.